Hello, my name is Ganesh and I work for one of the British multinational banking giant. I'm here to show you the quick demo of the application which our Pega COE team has been built for the Pega Hackathon 2020. As we are seeing, currently COVID-19 impacted the business operations over the globe. As a bank, currently we are also struggling to engage our customer who are trying to contact us for their loan application. So our team has come up with the solution which we are calling a smart loan application which is built on Pega platform. The main objective of this application are it's a framework application. So any bank can leverage and build their own customized application on top of that. Secondly, we are trying to automate the approval process so it will reduce the human intervention. And lastly, we are engaging the customer through a Pega chatbot, and so we are creating the cases from the chatbot session. So that will reduce the processing overhead from the call center channel. So let me show you the quick demo for same. So this is the POC enterprise website we have been built. Once user click on the chat now button, it will start the chat session with the Pega application. So let me start with the formal hi. So it quickly responses with the automated responses has been configured out there. So apply for loan, and this will start the case creation at the Pega end. We'll give the option to fill out the form. So let me fill this form. State amount, for how many term, first name, my personal phone number, my personal email address, date of birth, address, zip code, country. So here we try to leverage the out of box section to capture the data. And lastly, employment information, the position, and employer detail, and date of joining, and date of retirement, office phone number, and the official email address. So once customer submit this data, it will help us to automate the approval process. So after this, system will ask to upload three mandatory document. First one is the attachment proof. So let me upload the address proof. Secondly, it will ask for the identity proof. And at last, we have to upload the employment proof. So once customer upload this document and submit, system will automatically do assessment and try to automate the approval process. So in some cases it will may go for the manual approval, and in some cases the approval, a level 1 approval can be automated. So here you can see in our case the approval has been automated, and you can see the message, congratulations, your loan application so and so has been approved. So our CSR will be contact you for further process, which is the loan fulfillment. So now let me show you what we have done at the Pega end. Very first, let me show you the case which got created from the chatbot session. So this is our case which got created from the chatbot session, and if you see the all the all the steps are STP'd. The status has been resolved upload, and here we can see the attachment which we have uploaded. So let me show you the case type which we have built. So mainly we have created the two case type. The first one is the loan application, where the second stage is for assessment to automate the approval, and we are creating the loan fulfillment case from the this four step fulfillment. And this is our class structure, which is pretty much generic. We have specialized the class structure to the different loan type, so the business logic or the UI can be specialized. Let me show you the channel interface. So we have created the web chatbot channel interface. Here we have configured the system responses and which case to be created. Yep. Thank you for watching.